Bethany. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm planning out the week of Monday, October 12th through Sunday, October 18th, which is actually my dad's birthday. But first I thought I would just take a look and show you the current week we're in. So it is Friday when I'm planning now. And I loved this kit from Sammy Doodle. It was so much fun all week. I haven't used this color combination before, I don't think ever. So I really enjoyed this in my planner. I thought it was so super fun. And while the kit wasn't created for this size planner, this is the 8.5 by 11, and the kit was made for a 7 by 9. I still made it work and I was still really happy with it, and the stickers are gorgeous. So super fun week there, very busy though. And next week will be no different in that respect. So today I'm using these planner Kate stickers. This is kind of the first of, I think I've got 3 weeks that I'm going to do kind of Halloween-ish theme. This is probably the mildest one because it's not overly Halloween-y, but this is Planner Kate. It's the washi from kit 254B. I've also got the date headers with it, weekend banner, film edit upload scripts. I may or may not use these, some check boxes, and weather. That's one thing that I'm really working on in my planners. I haven't found a consistent space that I like to put the weather yet. I'll just flip back and show you. So you can see here, like everything's kind of filled up and spoken for. So I don't know where to put it. I might have space if I only dedicate maybe 2 rows of this like bottom area to the YouTube business. I could probably put, you know, a weather down below. I do like doing the weather because otherwise I don't check it ahead of time, and then it's usually a shock. It's like, oh my gosh, wow, surprise, it's a beautiful day, or oh my gosh, why is the weather so crappy? So it's really nice to put it in. I do like doing that. I don't know where to put it here. So let's see if I can figure that out this week and address that. Otherwise, for scripts, I do have some that I printed myself. So this is just off of my printer, so some scripts of stuff that I usually use, and I don't know that I'll need all these, but we shall see. And I also have a collection of Planner Kate scripts that are just leftovers from various kits I have purchased before, and I like to save them on just a blank sticker sheet. So that's what I've got today. Let's go ahead and get started with some washi and some setup and go from there.
Here we go now. Here we go now.
All right, so this is looking pretty cute. I like how it's pumpkin-y, but it's also kind of, I don't know, it's just whimsical and cute. I really like this washi, so I'm really liking how that's looking. Next, I'm gonna use this, again, sheet of scripts that I made. I'm gonna give the day by day another shot. So I'm gonna try to do plan out Monday, plan out Tuesday, and just kind of go in order if I can. So we'll see how this goes and go from there. I also, when I was putting down the washi, I kind of sacrificed 7 a.m., but I don't think I really have anything starting at 7 next week, so I think it's going to be fine. Okay, so Monday is pretty busy. I actually have several training sessions, and I have a couple that are pending, so I'm only putting in the ones that are like I know I'm having, but I might even have a couple more. But let's see, 10 o'clock, there's a training. And then I'm doing another one at 11. There's definitely one at 2. And again, I think I have one after this, and I think I have one in the middle as well. And also there could be one before. So I'm gonna leave some time open, and it should be fine. Next, I'm planning to do, let's see, cardio in the evening. So probably after work, maybe around 4:30 or 5 or so. And then I'm trying something this week that I don't usually do, and that's actually planning in when we're eating dinner, just because of the kids' hockey schedules. Often we're having a conversation of, okay, exactly when are we having dinner? Is it before? Is it after? Is it, during someone's practice? Like, are we switching off? So I'm gonna try to put in the dinners as well, and exactly like when we are eating. Okay, let's see, for hockey, the boys both have hockey on Monday. And that is a trash and recycle week. So we'll stick that in there. That takes up like the whole line. I didn't realize how wide that was. That's good to know. All right, moving on to Tuesday next. So Tuesday I'm gonna try to dedicate some time to this project that I'm working on. I've realized the first couple of the hours of the day I need to like do email and catch up with customers, that kind of thing. But then I'm hoping the rest of that day will mostly be good for working on that project. All right, and then I'm trying a new class at my gym that's called Barbell Strength. So I made a sticker that says Barbell Strength. And this one, let's see, it's at 4:45, so I'm just gonna put 4:30. But the classes I was doing, so the extreme and the shred I was doing at my gym, I stopped doing them because they were really hard on my knees. Like every time I would come home from a class, my knees would hurt for at least 24 to 48 hours, and I would have to ice them, and it was a whole thing. So I think I'm gonna try to do something else that's maybe a little bit lower impact and see if that's better. Tuesday, both boys have hockey again. All right, so far so good. So we're moving on to Wednesday. Wednesday, I have a meeting at 2 o'clock. And I think I was gonna take this day off from the gym, and then again, both kids have hockey. So when I was doing my pre-planning, knowing what time we're eating dinner also really helped me as far as figuring out like what we're gonna eat, because it let me know, do I have time to cook, or do I need to do like a crock pot thing? So I'm hoping that will help that after work dinner time go a little bit more smoothly. All right, moving on to Thursday. So Thursday I'm doing my Fuse class again at 6:30 Thursday and Friday, which I wouldn't have had up here anyway, so I think that's fine. I'm just going to stick them in the morning, and it's gonna be okay. Okay, I just decided to stick them up here so they're not eating into the workday, so that's still clear when I'm actually going to be doing stuff. I think it's important to keep that. Okay, meeting at 9 o'clock on Thursday. What else Thursday? I think I have another meeting at 2. Okay, and then Thursday, both boys have hockey this day as well. All right, Thursday's also a laundry day, but I'm noticing there probably isn't gonna be a lot of time for laundry on Thursday. So let me see what Wednesday looked like this week again. Yeah, I think Wednesday's probably better for like a bonus laundry day, so I'll just stick that over here. All right, Friday I got a work meeting at 9:30. And then after that, I'm hoping it'll be another project day, so we shall see. All right, got the little YouTube schedule down here. I think that's looking pretty good so far. And let's see what else. Oh, the kids don't have school on Friday. It's just one of those Planner Kate scripts, so I'll put this maybe here's like just a reminder. Okay, so the weekend is looking relatively busy for this week. We've got lots of hockey, and I'm gonna try to go to this barbell strength class again on Saturday. If I like it. I mean, obviously, if it sucks, I probably won't go again on Saturday. So I was gonna be here on Saturday morning. It's at 9:45, which I think is a really nice time. It's early enough in the morning that you don't feel like you're into your day, but it's still plenty of time to sleep in quite a bit. So I'm looking forward to that. I think that will be good. Heather and I are not recording the podcast, which is why, that class works out just fine, because usually we do our podcast recording 10 o'clock on Saturdays. But let's see, we also have some cleaning this weekend, so I put that down as tentatively kind of like noonish probably. And kids hate it, we like to do the bedrooms and bathrooms on Saturday. And then we do a power hour on Sunday, and we found that pretty much gets the whole house clean for the week. And I actually alternate, so they help every other week, and then I kind of just do my own thing a little bit just as an in-between spruce up on the off weeks. And Sunday's my dad's birthday, so I'm going to stick this in somewhere that makes sense. All right, so that's pretty much it for like appointments and stuff like that. Next, I want to go in and put the weather along the top. And I was gonna use those Planner Kate weather stickers, but actually I like these ones from Pipple Mom Plans way better just because they're nice and black and they kind of go with all the scripts I've got here. So I'm gonna put those along in this top line here. And I think I'm also going to put in the ending lines for like when my work stuff is ending. I also need to write in meals, like the actual dinners that recipes I'm going to make along the side, and sprinkle in icons. So I'm gonna do that stuff next. I don't know what to do up here. Like I feel like this is a weird empty space I don't know what to do with. So I'm gonna ponder that while we put the rest of this together. Right, I think this is it. So just a quick tour of all of these. Hopefully I don't forget anything. I'll just try to go top to bottom. So the weather stickers again are Pipple Mom Plans. If you are looking to shop at Pipple Mom Plans on Etsy, use my code. That's Bethany10. You'll get 10% off. Love Nikki's shop. So many cute little icons and scripts and other things there. Moving down, we have this Hocus Pocus sticker is from Alexandra Nicole Plans that came in a freebie. Super cute. I thought it was perfect for Monday because it says, I need coffee to focus. Hocus Pocus, I need coffee to focus, which is very true for me on a Monday for sure. Simply Smith stickers, that is this laptop here and here. Also this sticker, this one. This is also Simply Smith. I think this cat and this pumpkin came off of that sheet too, as well as this. So it was like a Simply Smith Stickers did a sheet of Halloween deco, and most of that came from that sheet. The black cat crossing is also Alexandra Nicole Plans. Oh my gosh, I have like a hair stuck to me somehow. Let's see. Also, Mixie Cat stuff is this little fast food cat and the taco cat. This one is Erin Condren. This happy birthday from my dad. And what else? This little cat here and here, this is from Sweet Ava's Paper, but the shop has been renamed and I just am blanking on what the new shop name is, but those are from that shop. And then also this little ghost down here is Sammy Doodle. Oh yeah, these two over here are also Simply Smith from that same deco sheet. All right, so I know this will fill up. I don't know if you've seen my other pages. Like I definitely fill my pages, but it's a good start to the week. And then I like to fill in with, check boxes and lots of different things as I go, just checking things off throughout the week. I use mine as a running to-do list, essentially. I'm honestly not using my daily as much anymore, just because this is plenty. This is plenty for all the checklists I need. And then I do go into my checklists in my add-on if I need them, but I don't even always need that. So honestly, I'm not using my daily. I do use it sometimes because it's fun to decorate, and sometimes I just want to like separate this. Like I don't want to see the rest of the week, right? So that's when a daily is nice, is when I don't even want to see the rest of the week because it's overwhelming. That's when it's great to have that daily. But right now, for the most part, I'm loving this planner. Loving this planner so much. It is perfect for everything I need. I take it, everywhere. By everywhere, I mean like upstairs in my house and downstairs in my house. So, all over the place. All the places in my house. No, but for real, I do take it around and it's working out great. So that is the spread for this week. Like I said, this is kind of a milder Halloween theme this week. And then the next 2 weeks, I've got Halloween themes planned as well. I can't wait to show you. So that wraps up this plan with me. Thank you so much for joining if you are still watching. I hope you have a great week, great day, and we will chat soon. Bye guys.
Here we go now.